Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix JBL Tune Beam Earbuds mono mode issue. First, place both earbuds inside the charging case. Make sure the charging case has enough battery power and both earbuds are charging properly. Check the LED indicators on the earbuds. The LEDs should light up when the earbuds are correctly inserted into the charging case. Now inspect the charging contacts on both earbuds and inside the case. If you notice any dust, dirt, or debris, carefully clean the contacts using a soft dry cloth or cotton swab. Dirty charging contacts can prevent one earbud from charging, which may cause the earbuds to work only in mono mode. Next, leave both earbuds in the charging case for at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure they are fully charged. After that, remove both earbuds from the case at the same time. Wait a few seconds and check if the left and right earbuds automatically connect to each other. If only one earbud connects, you may need to reset the earbuds. To reset them, place both earbuds back into the charging case and leave the lid open. Press and hold the touch controls on both earbuds for about 10 seconds until the LED indicators start flashing. This will clear previous pairing information and restore the earbuds to their factory settings. Once the reset is complete, close the charging case for a few seconds and then open it again. Remove both earbuds together and allow them to pair with each other automatically. Now open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Find JBL Tune Beam in the list of paired devices and tap Forget Device or Remove Device. Then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and reconnect the earbuds as a new device. After pairing is complete, play music or a video and check if audio is coming from both earbuds. You can also test each earbud individually to confirm that both are working correctly. If the problem still remains, try connecting the earbuds to another phone or tablet to determine whether the issue is related to the earbuds or your original device. You should also make sure your phone's Bluetooth software and the JBL Headphones app are updated to the latest version. In many cases, cleaning the charging contacts, fully charging both earbuds, and performing a factory reset will resolve the mono mode issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.